Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix the video lag or choppy live stream from your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500. So actually the first thing you have to do is to go straight to the this view over here and tap on the resolution of the quality and tap the 480p smooth. Now the live stream should be smoother and the less internet should be used, because as you can see, if you set it to, for example, 3.ku HD, it uses much more internet connection than it should when it comes to more advanced scenes. Apart from that, you need to check your connection status when you go here to the more device info and tap device network info. You should see Wi-Fi signal strength is 34%. So yes, I do have it bad. You need to either get closer to the router, change the routers, or do anything else, because this internet connection means the video lag or choppy live stream. Apart from that, go back and scroll the way down, scroll the way down to check for any updates over here. As you can see, I do. You need to tap update and everything should be done. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.